Hi, welcome to this micro demo. In this demo, let us see how you can use custom Python libraries or SDK packages and quickly automate network services, application services, cloud services, or anything around business process using robotic process automation. Under the Python library, click to install the desired SDK packages. It could be a Boto3 package to automate services on AWS, including EC2 instances, AWS S3, Route 53, or AWS load balancing, right? Likewise, if you want to do robotic process automation, check for the relevant package name and then get the latest version, install in AppViewX and quickly automate anything around RPA bots. Once the packages are installed, go to the Automation Studio and you can define your own custom software to automate specific services either on the network devices or on the cloud or anything around RPA. In this case, we have an automation task that leverages the Boto3 SDK package of AWS to automate DNS services on Amazon Route 53. Design your own automation flows and provide the required credentials to automate services on AWS instance. Provide the required credentials to communicate with AWS services. Provide the required FQDN. And provide the IP address to ensure the IP to domain mapping. So here we are using the AWS Boto3 SDK package to automate critical DNS services on Amazon Route 53. Thank you.